Good morning, my dear children. Last class we have learnt exercise 1D fully. We have completed up to problem number 6. And today's class we are going to learn chapter number 2, fractions. Fractions represent parts of a whole. So you all come across this topic, fractions. Am I right? You know, if 2 by 7 is a fraction, the number above the line we call it as a numerator, and the number below the line we call it as a denominator. So 2 is your numerator, 7 is the denominator. Fraction represent parts of a whole. And next, these things you have learned in from standard 5, standard 6 also. And now we are going to learn what are the types of fractions. Common fraction. What do you mean by common fraction? You will have a numerator and denominator. We call it as a simple fraction. Complex fraction. What do you mean by complex fraction? In the numerator, you will again have one fraction, 2 by 3 divided by 5. So in the numerator itself, you have one fraction, you have one denominator. This is called complex fraction. These two words you have come across. Proper fraction, improper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator should be smaller than the denominator. So 1 by 2, 2 should be greater and the numerator 1 should be smaller. Similarly 8 by 9. Numerator 8 is smaller than the denominator 9. Improper fraction means the vice versa. The numerator will be bigger and the denominator will be smaller. So these are the important words you have come across in this standard. One is proper fraction, improper fraction, complex fraction. Next, we are going to solve problem under the topic mixed fraction and improper fraction in this exercise. We will be learning a problem related to the topic, then again I will reach out to the topics. So first, we are going to convert a fraction into mixed fraction or converting mixed fraction into an improper fraction. This is what we are going to learn today. When you look at this fraction 1 by 2, we call this as a mixed fraction. So the mixed fraction will be look like an integral part multiplied by denominator of the proper fraction plus numerator of the proper fraction divided by denominator. This is a formula and you feel it is little complicated, but when you understand it will be easy. Integral part, we call this one as an integral part. Mixed fraction converted into improper fraction, how means this integral part multiplied by denominator 1 into 2. After multiplying, you are going to add with this numerator 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is your improper fraction. This is what we are going to do in this exercise. And mixed fraction is equal to quotient in numerator divided by denominator plus remainder divided by denominator. See, here you have 11 by 7. This is in terms of mixed fraction. We are going to convert it improper fraction. We are going to convert it into mixed fraction. For that, we will be dividing 11 by 7. When you divide 11 by 7, you will be getting the answer. How means the quotient, the answer quotient remainder will be 4. So you will be writing quotient as an integral part. So your quotient is 1. So you are writing in the integral part plus remainder is 4 divided by denominator you have 7. This is an easy thing. When you solve the exercise problem, you will easily learn it. So now we are going to solve the exercise 2a. Problem number 1. Express the following as a mixed fraction. So they have given the fraction in terms of improper. How I am saying it is an improper? Because numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we are calling this as an improper fraction. We are going to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So how will you do? Now this is the formula, right? Mixed fraction. We are converting improper into mixed fraction. So mixed fraction is equal to quotient plus remainder divided by denominator. So first we are going to divide this 37 by 12 table. 37 we are going to divide it by 12 table. 12 threes are 36 and the remainder is 1. So your quotient is 3 and your remainder is 1 and the denominator is 12. So how will you are going to write the answer in this format? Quotient is 1. Quotient is 3. 3 plus remainder is 1. 1 divided by the denominator 12. 3 1 by 12. So our answer is 3 1 by 12. We have converted this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now you look at this question, 947 divided by 37. If you look at here, 947 is greater than 31. So we call this fraction as an improper fraction. What fraction is this? Improper fraction. So to convert improper fraction into a mixed fraction, we have a formula. Mixed fraction is equal to quotient plus remainder divided by denominator. This is your formula. After writing the formula, you are supposed to box the formula. Next, 947 we are going to divide it by 31. 31 threes are 93. 4 minus 3 1, bringing the next digit 17. When you compare 31 and 17, it is smaller. So we are adding 0 in the quotient and we are not going to proceed because we will be having the remainder. With that remainder, we will not go to decimal point. We stop with that. So your quotient is 30 and your remainder is 17 and denominator is 31. So how will you substitute quotient? Quotient 30 plus remainder 17 by 31. Next step, we will remove the addition and you will write 30 17 by 31. This is how converting improper fraction into mixed fraction. Very easy step. Next we are going to convert express as an improper fraction. So this is in the mixed fraction. We are going to express as in the improper fraction. For that, what you will do? Integral part multiplied by denominator plus next step is numerator. 3 into 12 plus 7 divided by the denominator. 3 into 12, 36, 36 plus 7, 43, 43 divided by 12. Now you got an improper fraction. How? 43 is greater than 12. That is numerator greater than denominator. Therefore, it is what fraction? Improper fraction. Next question, 1801 divided by 107. This is in a mixed fraction. We are going to convert it into an improper fraction. For that, integral part multiplied by denominator plus numerator divided by the denominator. 107 multiplied by 18. When you multiply, you will be getting 1926. When you add 101, you will be getting 2026. And the denominator is 107. So we learnt what is a mixed fraction and improper fraction. After understanding the problem, solve the homework problems from problem number 1 and 2. After solving it, send the images to my personal number. Thank you, students.